As you know, this goes way beyond just vaccinations. A member of the Kennedy family this weekend, Tatiana Schlossberg, JFK's granddaughter, she has a moving essay in The New Yorker about her fatal cancer diagnosis. And in it she writes, quote, "As I spent more and more of my life under the care of doctors, nurses, and researchers striving to improve the lives of others, I watched as Bobby," that's a reference to RFK Jr., "cut nearly $500 million for research into mRNA vaccines, technology that could be used against certain cancers. He slashed billions in funding from the NIH." And she goes on and on and on. RFK Jr., according to his own family, is causing real damage to the health of the United States of America. You don't seem willing to criticize him by name at all, unlike members of his family.
So, Jake, clearly, this conversation, you want me to be on the record saying something negative. And, of course, it makes news if Republicans spite each other. I get that.
I don't even know that he's a Republican.
Rather focusing upon, or whatever. But but I'm all about how do we make America healthy? And I speak as a physician. And I don't think the tit for tat is what people are about. I don't think the inside the beltway, oh, he said, she said, he said, he said. I think what's important, Jake, and what we should be focused on right now is how do we make America healthy? You mentioned healthcare costs. Right now, some insurance policies are so expensive that people cannot afford the deductible, so they don't get the needed care. That actually has more of an impact upon making people healthy than the New Yorker essay, which is a good essay, I understand. I'm not minimizing. But if we're actually going to speak about what's important to the American people, get vaccinated, discuss with your physician, but also how do we help it so you can afford the health care? So, Jake, I know it's titillating, but I think we need to move beyond the titillation into actually what matters to the American people.
I'm going to turn to your health care plan because I know you really want to talk about it, but I'll just say, this isn't about titillation. This is about the fact that you are the chairman of the health committee and you voted to confirm somebody that, by all accounts from the medical and scientific community and his own family, including his dying cousin, this health secretary is actually making America less healthy when it comes to vaccines and studies. But